السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. دلوقتي معايا كونتاكت 210 محتاج يتغير. Hello all, now I'm having this EIS which is 208-545-0108. This is the original one with the working key. Okay, this is for the car. Now I will read this EIS data and write to this one which is 210-545-0008. This is the original one. Begin with 208 and the new one will be 210. Now this is a platform for CGDI. Here is a connector to CGDI and connected to laptop, and this is 208-210 connector is connected there to the EIS. Now I will need to make a folder there. $210 EIS. Okay, let's split it, two files, new orange, new done. Now 12 power connected, 12 volt power connected. Now we'll read the original one data. Click on read EIS. Now it's connected for the original one. CGDI is filled. Disconnect that. Connect it back again. Also connected for the original. EIS. Okay, we'll check connections and come back again. And now this is the original one. We'll insert the key. This key inserted. Then read EIS. Okay, read successfully. Now notice the SSID to be sure that this is a working key for that. Now this is a VE key, so I will directly read the password from it and be sure that the same SSID. Read, write, read should be the same or one different parameter, but okay. This is a working key for that EIS. Read BE key password, copy, paste, and this is the original EIS data. Save EIS data, desktop test, original. That's the original EIS data. Save file successfully. Now I will close and connect the new one. And now this is a donor one, which is AKL, which was begin 210. These 4 wires connected according to this diagram. Also, switch here is on platform. W210 AC adapter fast collection, like this diagram. Power connected here, switch on platform. This is connected to EIS. I will close that. Read EIS. Okay, compute password, copy key without key. We'll read the EIS data after that, but now I want only the password. Okay. I know this will have too much time. Insert and remove key, insert and remove key. Collect fast. Okay. Start keyless collection. All sync. Now I'm waiting for insert simulation key and remove, insert and remove. Now I'll check connections and come back again. And now I connected a second donor one, this one which began with 210 is bad, and then got the second one connected to the same wiring. And now I had to choose in W210 key fast, copy key without key, and the lower one was AC adapter fast collection. Now just connected these and gone to this. Please pull out ELV plug not collect, click to OBD, not will be the finest line. Okay. Collecting, please follow the prompts. I know this will have too much time. Insert and pull out, insert and pull out, insert and pull out. Please insert a key. Inserted the simulator key. This is going too fast. The earlier one I did that took too much time. Insert and pull out, insert and pull out. Maybe I had chosen that time only W210K, but now I had chosen W210K fast, copy key without key, which is AKL's second unit, and then chosen fast adapter connection like this. This one I have no communication at all, each connection. Now notice the blinking. Now this is W210 AKL. Now I'm collecting data to compute the password. Now I will wait for that and come back again. Notice the time. Okay. And now after about 7 or 8 minutes, the same connection, power connected, switch on platform, now went to 99. Okay, now collection succeed. We'll go to donor, save. Okay, upload donor. Now the same connection, simulator key, upload data successfully. Okay, okay. Now I'm having the password, copy, EIS, read EIS. If I can't read this EIS, we'll upload the data again and get the password. Okay. Now I will connect with this and I'm having the password. We'll connect this one and disconnect the AC adapter and I'm having the password. We'll show you now. Now it's connected with the platform and OBD2, removed the AC adapter. I connected the OBD2 here and there, connected 12 volt power and W210 connector to the EIS. Now I will show you this EIS number, which is 210.545.0208, and this is the bad one. Now I will read. If I can't, I will insert the simulation key. Read EIS. Okay, insert the simulation key. It's the LED DDIS, which is current voltage is insufficient, and remove the power. Connect it back again. Remove let it DDIS. Now did it successfully. Compute, copy, okay, first copy, paste, save, and the donor. Okay, save file successful. Then we'll remove the simulation key because it will ask me to insert the simulation key to erase it now. All activated and personalized. Get the connected one is the donor. Now I will move that away. We only have this. Everything connected like this. Erase password activated successfully. Now wipe the EIS. It will ask me to insert this. So I will insert and try again. Wipe the EIS. Now this is LED. It is EIS success. Now if I read it again, we'll have all these errors. Okay, now you need to load the original file. Load file, go to original. Okay, I need to remove that. Write the EIS data suggestion. Okay, writing the EIS data. I don't know how without the simulation key out. Didn't ask me to insert. Okay, inserted the simulation key. Write EIS data field. Okay, we'll read and check it again. Read. Connect it again. Insert a simulation key. Read. Okay. Load original. Okay. Right. Okay. Now simulation key is still there. Now writing EIS data. جاي لك يا. Remove. Insert it back again. جاي لك يا أحمد. Write EIS data success. Okay. Now we'll read it again. Okay, nothing there activated, so I will remove that. We'll get the key from the original working and insert it. This is a working key. Insert and wait. And here the key has been inserted. Just I insert the key to activate it. Now if I read it again, I should have the working key there. Disconnect power, connect again, remove the key, insert the key, EIS. Not activated now. Activated as original. Okay. Activate EIS. Success. Okay. Read. Now EIS. Initialized, TP cleared, personalized, activated, and the working key worked. Okay, that's it. That's the connection, completing this procedure. Okay, that's it.